If you're struggling with acid reflux or just want to start nurturing a healthier gut, overnight oats make for an easy, delicious, and gut-friendly breakfast. You can click on the blog post in our description for exact measurements. Let's get started. The first round of ingredients include oatmeal and chia seeds. If your oatmeal already contains sugar, you don't need to add any additional sweeteners to this recipe. After that, you'll also want to grab your favorite brand of oat milk and some Greek yogurt. We'll begin by scooping 1/3 cup of oatmeal into each of the containers. I'm making 2 portions because my husband enjoys these as well, but this recipe is for 1 person. Next comes 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Then add 1/3 cup of oat milk. I like to put a little more than 1/3 cup, but that's completely up to you. Finally, a good old scoop of Greek yogurt. Add as much or as little as you like. I put about 2 large tablespoons in each container. Then, just use your spoon to mix it all up. Make sure all the chunks are broken up so it sets evenly in the fridge. They're ready to be eaten in about 4 hours, but I like to make them before I fall asleep and then enjoy them in the morning. The high fiber content in oats promotes healthy bowel movement, while the other gentle ingredients help support gut health and calms acid reflux. In the morning, I wanted to garnish the overnight oats and take some cool photos with the 2 containers I made. But I woke up to this guy munching on them instead. He was eating it so deliciously that I couldn't stop him. Oh well. Here's what I like to put on top of my oats: sliced almonds, roasted coconut flakes, and bananas. This recipe is heavenly. I've been eating it every morning for the past 2 weeks, and it's definitely helped curb my acid reflux, as well as my tendency to overeat. If you want more info on how I soothed my gut and overcame severe acid reflux, click on the link in the description. The exact measurements of this recipe can be found on the blog post as well. Music by The Abundant Life Soundtrack 1. Available on the hoogashop.com.